Hello everyone, welcome to virtual learning classes of SLVM School Jagapatnagaram, and this is your Valli dealing with the subject English. So children, in this video we are going to learn about our last lesson, the park, in our term 2. Okay, the park. So look at the video. Here we have some crazy colorful picture we have here. Yes, so okay, next time on with page number 30. So regarding this lesson, we have some characters. The persons who involved in this lesson are given here. Who are those? Rinku, Kuku, Tarun, Sanjeev, Naina, Saif, Pratik, Mr. and Mrs. Sundarlal. Sher Singh, the driver. Rinku, Kuku, Tarun, Sanjeev, Naina, Saif, Pratik, Mr. and Mrs. Sundarlal. Two persons here. Sher Singh, the Sher Singh is the driver. And some various neighbors, the rest of the neighbor peoples like boys and girls of different age groups. That means kids, younger ones, elder ones, and of some different groups, age groups. Okay, now I'm moving with scene 1. Okay, look at the video. A vacant plot in Kirti Nagar or Kirti Nagar. Some bushes, trees, a vacant, an empty plot. Plot means piece of land. Plot means piece of land. Some area, some land area. For example, if you have 1 acre of land, on 1 acre there is half acre or 10 cents or 20 cents we are taking. We are considering. And where was this plot located? At Kirti Nagar. Okay. And also there is some bushes, small trees and trees. Okay. Finally what we have? We have some plot. We have some land in Kirti Nagar. On that land there are some bushes and trees. Okay. Kuku, Tarun, Sanjeev, Naina, Saif and few other children carrying garden tools are grouped around Rinku. So, there is a person Rinku who is on the group. To that Rinku some people came. Who are those? Kuku, Tarun, Sanjeev, Naina, Saif and some other people came to Rinku with some garden tools. Some garden tools. Okay, garden tools means the land, digging tools. Digging tools, you know. Yes, digging. That means to strike to the land. To strike to the land. Some digging tools and scissors. They came with this all to Rinku. Then Tarun is saying, what? Are you mad? You want us to clean up this jungle and grow flowers? Then whose idea is this actually? This is Rinku's idea. Whose idea? Rinku's idea. Rinku called all the friends to there and ask them to take the garden tools. Garden tools in the sense the tools, the machines or some other ones which we use to clean the garden. Okay, so Rinku called all his friends to carry these garden tools. Okay, they taken these garden tools to Rinku. One of the friend is Tarun on that group. Then Tarun is talking to Rinku that, what? Are you mad? Are you crazy? What are you saying? You want all of us people to clean these bushes? All of us to clean these bushes like cutting trees? And what you are saying? We have to clean all the mess from here, all the waste, and we have to grow the flowers. No, thank you Rinku, not me. I'm not a gardener. Then Tarun saying that, are you mad? Do you want to clean all this jungle forest? This is too heavy work. I can't do. Thank you, Rinku. I will not work this. I'm not a gardener. I'm not a person who works on garden. Tinku is serious on Rinku. Tarun is serious on Rinku. Yes. Then Kuku. Kuku also talking. Neither am I. Am I a gardener? No. Then Saif said, count me out. I'm not interested. Then Saif also saying, I'm also not interested. Tarun, Kuku, Saif. 3 people are talking to Rinku. That all the 3 are not interested to plant flower, plants and trees. And they are not interested to work on those jungle. Then Rinku is saying, I am counting on all of you. Think about it carefully. Do you want to have a factory here? Noise, pollution, traffic, and where we will play cricket? Then Rinku is saying that, oh, if you guys are unable to clean this bush, then obviously a factory may come. The elder people, all the people are planning to design a factory here. If the factory may come, what will happen? The noise comes from the factory, the pollution comes from the factory, and also we don't get this place. If the factory may come, where we can play cricket, where we can play our games? Rinku asking this question to all the 5 people. Who are the 5? Kuku, Tarun, Sanjeev, Saif, Naina. Okay. Then Kuku is saying, alright, we got your point. So where do we start? To clean a place properly, we need a power spade and... Yes. Then Kuku is saying, okay, Rinku, we got your point, we understand you. Okay, first tell me, from which place, from which point we have to start cleaning? We have a power spade here. We need a power spade. Power spade in the sense, we need some more people to help us. Who is saying these words? Kuku. Then Rinku said, power spade. Look, we have enough power here. Power spade. Hey, Rinku. Hey, Kuku, don't be silly. Power spade you want? Look, all of us. We have enough power. We will work. He pointed his arms. He's showing his arms. Look at the picture. We want some extra power? No need. We have power in our muscles. We can work. Just like that, Rinku is saying. And then Rinku is saying again, come on guys, take your garden tools and show me what you are made of. The children exchange glances. Tarun and Saif shake their hands. Then Rinku is asking, come on guys, what are the garden tools you brought to me? Just show it to me. After showing the garden tools, they exchanged garden tools to each other and they shaked their hands. They shaked their hands for a good cause. Okay. Then Tarun is saying, this place is pretty large. We need more people. Then Tarun is saying, this place is not a small place. We need some more of our friends or some more other people to help us. Then Naina saying, we tried Rinku, we tried hard. You were with us when we marched through every lane of Kirti Nagar, shouting down with pollution, find a solution. Yes. Then Naina is saying, we tried Rinku, we tried to call all the people and we tried to get some awareness, so get some good cause to the people, and also we learned, that means we visited each and every street and every place in the Kirti Nagar and shouted against the factory. We said, down with pollution, find a solution. Down with pollution, find a solution. Who said this word? Naina said that. What did the Naina say? Rinku, you are thinking of a good cause. For that good cause, we all roamed on Kirti Nagar and shouted as down with pollution, find a solution. But what happened? Then Kuku said, and you like a fool shouted Jindabad, Jindabad. Then the rest of the people shouted Jindabad, Jindabad. Then Tarun said, so what's wrong with that? Sanjay said, nothing, but all we collected was a handful of kids, 3 cows, and loads of dogs. Nothing happened. While saying Jindabad, Jindabad, it's not wrong while saying Jindabad, Jindabad. For example, when we have any election campaign or some other leader coming in our village, what we do? We said Jindabad, Jindabad. Here also they said comedily, down with pollution, find a solution. Then again, Jindabad, Jindabad. It's a comedy issue, right? Yes. Then Sanjay is saying that nothing will be happen while saying Jindabad, Jindabad. But the problem is, some kids are come with us, and some 3 cows and lots of dogs shouted on us while we are saying Jindabad and down with pollution and find a solution. Then Naina said, what a circus. Rinku said, that's alright, maybe the others will be luckier today. We are not giving up so easily, are we? Then Rinku is saying, okay, Abba, just leave the matter. Maybe some other people are lucky today, they may not come with us. But we have to try more. We have to try to educate people to stop this factory and stop the pollution. Then Sai said, we have not even started, I am sure we can do better. Then Saif is encouraging the people. Guys, don't be disappointed. We just started. We just started our movement. But one fine day, I am confirmed, we have to educate our people. We will get the better cause. Above the buzz of conversation from a distance, the shouting of slogans can be heard slowly coming closer. Okay, while these all the students and children are discussing, and one time on the long side there was a buzz of conversation. That means some people are talking, some people are discussing with each other and shouting some slogans. Slogans in the sense, down with pollution, find a solution is a slogan. That type of slogans some other people are shouting there. Okay, yeah, next. While listening the slogans, Rinku is saying, quiet everyone, please be silent. Listen, they are coming here. My dear friends, please be silent. Someone is coming. Someone is saying some slogans. Listen there, and of course, I think they are coming here. Just like this, Rinku said. Then what did Sanjay say? There comes Pratik on top of his voice. Pratik, over here. He waves. Then there comes Pratik. One more person came there. Who is he? Pratik. Okay. Pratik over here. He waves. Then on the shouting people, there is a special person, Pratik. Pratik is the friend of these people. So Sanjeev called Pratik while shaking his hands. Pratik, come here, come here. Just like this, Sanjeev called Pratik. Children on stage start to jump and shout. They join in the slogans as they watch the protesters march on stage led by a boy with a drum. Okay, and there also some more people started the slogans, and some more people are trying to take awareness to the people, and some protesters march on stage, left, right. That they are doing some marching, and there is a boy who is playing with drum. And some children carry banners, some are carrying the banners. All are shouting slogans such as, down with pollution, find a solution, greener town, go green. So, the people are shouting as, down with pollution, find a solution, greener town, cleaner town, go green. Okay, they start to sing a song. The children on stage join them. There is a stage. All these persons are standing on the stage and they are saying these slogans. Okay. Rinku walks over the Pratik. Yeah, they take 2 large rounds of the stage. They take 2 large rounds. Roundly they are standing. Okay, children? Yes. Then lie down exhausted on the stage. Okay, fall, sit, lie. That means they are sitting and standing. Rinku walks over to Pratik and gives him a friendly slap on the shoulder. Rinku walks to the Pratik and on his shoulder he just slapped and calling Pratik. Then Rinku said, "You are fun. You are fantastic. So many children have joined us. Now nothing can stop us." Pratik is one of the member of this group. Pratik tries to collect all the people. So these people also very much proud of Pratik while adding all the people. Okay. Then Rinku is appreciating Pratik that you are fantastic. You are Superman. So many children have joined with us. So many are with us. Now nothing can stop us. Now no one can stop us. We can start. We can find our movement and we can find a solution to our struggle. Just like that, Rinku appreciated Pratik. Yes. Then Rinku said to all the children, "Quiet, quiet please." Then Rinku is talking to all the children that silent, silent please. Let's decide what we can do to turn this place into the best park in Kirtinagar. Who's got an idea? Who's got an idea? Then Rinku is saying, "Please be silent. Now we will discuss, we will talk with each other what we have to do and how we can turn this vacant plot into a best park in Kirtinagar." Then Kuku is saying, "A park needs a swing." Then Sanju said, "Good, I can bring some used toys." So all the children are sharing, dividing their works, which part they have to bring. Someone has to flower the trees, plot the trees, and someone has to arrange some playing instruments, playing items on the park. So they are sharing, they are dividing their works. So on that, Sanjay said, "Good, I can bring some tires." Then child 1, "I can donate a garden bench." Some other person, child 1, no name. No name is mentioned here, just mentioned as child 1. Then child 1 said, "I can donate a bench." Then child 2 said, "I will bring some potted plants," and more children joined in the conversation. Well, plant flowers, have a duck pond with fish and frogs. We need water. Then child 2 said, "Okay, I also bring some potted plants." And child 2 requested the rest of the children to. More children joined in the conversation. Yes, while child 2 saying that I can bring some potted plants, rest of the children, the remaining children also involved on the conversation. That means they are trying to involve on the discussion, and they said, "We will plant flowers and have a duck pond, some small lake, and with fish and frogs. We need water." And so that they need a pond. On that pond there are ducks, fish and frogs. Yes. Then Rinku said, raising his hand to get everybody's attention, "Hold it, hold it." The children quietened down. Then Rinku said, raising his hand to everybody's attention while showing his hand, "Hold it, silence, silence." Just like that, Rinku is saying. Then the children quietened, we silence it. There is one more hurdle to cross. There is one more problem we have. 2 of us will have to meet Mr. Sundarlal and make him change his mind. Any volunteers who is willing to come along? So Rinku again said, we have a problem that before we doing these activities on making this vacant plot as a park in Kirtinagar, before that we have to meet Mr. Sundarlal. Is there any volunteers, any leaders which come with me and talk to Mr. Sundarlal? Who is asking this? Rinku is asking. Why they have to meet Sundarlal? Who is that Sundarlal? How is that Sundarlal? We will discuss on next part. Thank you. This is the end of the session, ma. Bye.